changing, starving.
Thank you sa more than 9 years na pagkasyaga sa akin,
I'm closer
pag-intindi,
where I
pag-alaga,
started.
suporta sa mga oras at araw na hindi na ako kamahal-mahal. Pero mas pinili mo pa rin mahalin.
Even more in love with you, letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here until you make me move. I'm hanging by a moment here with you. I'm living for the only thing I know. I'm running and not quite sure where to go. I don't know what I'm diving into. Just hanging by a moment here with you. There's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to fight. There's nothing in the world that can change my mind. There is nothing else.
Chief, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Are you both ready to raise a good Christian, the children whom God will give you?
Yes, I do.
In your 10 years, dinaanan nyo yon. In your 10 years, dinaanan ninyo, perhaps you may say to yourself, kami lang po yun. Ngayon, dagdagan natin, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kayo lang, kundi kasama si Jesus.
A moment here with you.
Hindi ko man palaging nasasabi, pero feeling ko naman napaparamdam ko sa kanya. Yung parang simula nung, yung pag nasa simbahan ako na pinagdasal ko kay Lord na sana po, kung ano po yung para sa akin, para sa amin dalawa, yun po yung mangyari po. Yung parang simula po nun, parang sinabi ko na kahit anong mangyari, hindi po kami susuko. Hindi po ako susuko. Hindi ko po siya susukuan. Kasi po, alam ko po na siya po yung binigay sa akin ni Lord. Siya po yung kasama ko na gagawa ng family. Ayun po, kasama po si Ivan habang buhay po. Naaalala mo pa ba yung araw na pumasok ka ng late sa training room? Basang-basa ka dahil sobrang lakas ng ulan at hangin sa labas. Yun din yung araw na ulong-sulong ako kung tutuloy pa ba ako sa training. Sorry po. Pero kasabay ng pagpatak ng luha ko at pagpatak ng napakalakas na butil na ulan, dasal ang ginawa ko habang ang mga paa ko tuloy-tuloy na mabilis ang hakbang papunta sa training. Papunta sa kung saan ako dadali ni Lord. Papunta sa'yo.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi
Mike, thank you.
pipiliin ko.
You came into my life when I needed hope the most, reminding me that even after the darkest storm, God still sends light. Through you, I saw His love, His timing, and His grace in the most beautiful way. And that was 10 years ago.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na palagi kitang papakinggan, iintindihin, proprotektahan, alagaan, at magbibigay oras sa inyo lalo na pag kinakailangan.
But our journey was not easy. We faced trials and battles that only you, me, and God truly knows. Madaming luha, madaming sakit at madaming pagpapatawad. There were times we almost gave up, but even our weakest moments, we choose to stay.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap
Magtatrabaho pa ako ng maigi para sa future natin at kay Ivan. Pipilian ka araw-araw at mas mamahalin ka. At di kakalimutan na magsabi na mahal na mahal kita bago umalis ng bahay. At may paramdam to sa'yo. Pinapangako to sa harap ng altar, pamilya natin, kaibigan, at sa Diyos. I love you so much.
We choose to fight for one another, and we choose to pray because we both knew that this love is worth it. With God at the center of our marriage, I promise to love you faithfully, to honor and respect you, and to walk hand in hand with you for the rest of my life. I love you. I love you so much.